Welcome back to your daily news, but without the libtard propaganda. I'm your host, Aardvarks. Starting out in Florida, my state, 12 and 14-year-old opened fire on deputies after breaking into a home. So the 12-year-old has severe diabetes, and he needs insulin every 4 hours. And so when he went missing, the parents called the cops. They were able to track it down to a burglary in progress, and when they got there, the two juveniles started shooting at the cops. The 14-year-old girl was shot and taken to the hospital. The 12-year-old boy is fine. And they don't mention the race of the 12 and 14-year-olds who were shooting at cops, which obviously means they were white. The country's first municipal reparations program is off to a rocky start because it's just giving random black people $25,000 to make home improvements. It's because they're black. If they lived there under certain years, they don't even have to prove that they were related to slaves or anything. It could be someone that moved here 40 years ago and they would qualify for $25,000 of white taxpayer money because we live in a bizarre world. New surveillance video shows about that Miami nightclub shooting. It's exactly what you think it is, and what it is diversity is our strength, and we need to deal with white supremacy. Yep, moving on. Supreme Court ruling in Arizona case will be another front in the voting rights war. Hell yeah, Republicans are winning left and right with these voting restrictions, and most people don't deserve to vote. Most people shouldn't be allowed to vote. A minute, you all think the average person is stupid. And if the average person is stupid, that means half of America is dumber than average. And that half should not be allowed to vote. Astrophysicist says alien UFO theories are stupid. And I am 100% convinced this guy is an alien who's trying to throw us off the scent of aliens. He just confirmed aliens are real. Thanks, dumbass. New York Times writer scolds Americans over social gatherings and Memorial Day column. But they celebrated BLM protests. Just typical libtard nonsense. Hey, when white people are trying to do something that white people like, that's bad, and you shouldn't be allowed to do that. How dare you try to get with your family over the weekend? But when black people are looting, rioting, and burning down cities, that's just justified. That's just reparations. That's a literal quote. They actually said that. Moving on. This whole... Why Twitter thinks Ellie Kemper is racist over a debutante crown she won in 1999. This is just yet again black hysteria that erupted in our society and is ruining the image of a white person over lies, nonsense, and fear. It's almost like white privilege doesn't exist and it's black privilege that exists. Weird. And that's been your daily news, but without the libtard propaganda. I'm your host, Aardvarks.